Hello, this is BKC and welcome back to my channel. Today I did this and it was a little bit of a struggle. I was really tired when I started. Like, I literally just woke up and I decided I wanted to do a video and do some makeup. So I'm sorry if I seem really out of it or I'm not really talking that much. I had just woke up and did this on a whim, so if you want to keep on watching to see how I did this, then do it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Yeah. I don't know, I keep waking up really late. I usually post like makeup pictures on my Instagram around like 3 o'clock, but I keep waking up at like 1 and I have to like rush my makeup, or I don't do it at all. But yeah. I'm also, I think I already said, but I'm running out of my foundation, so I have to like take a brush and undo this and get what I can. So yesterday I tried to make this area of my face kind of bloody because I did the like ornament smashed into face look, I don't know, on my Instagram, and now my face is like stained red, kind of. I don't know if I can cover it. I'm kind of too lazy to anyways. It looks okay. I don't think you can really tell anymore, actually. I'm gonna set my face with the Coty Airspun powder. Then I'm going to bake my face with the AOA translucent setting powder. Now that I'm baking, I think I'm gonna do my brows, but I don't know what color I should do. I think I want to do blue, but with the eyeshadow look I have in mind, I don't know if it'll look okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna do blue, and if it doesn't look good, then oh well. I want to do them like really straight, like pointy up, like Spock brows straight today. So we'll see how it turns out. The brows are kind of a flop, but I did them anyways. I'm not gonna start over. So now I'm gonna do my eyeshadow, which I think I'm just gonna do like green and red, and then red and green of just 2 big wings. Maybe some glitter, I don't know. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild loose pigment in the shade Celtic Glow. I don't know how to say it exactly. And I'm gonna take this flat brush and just go at it like it's winged liner, I guess. I'm actually gonna mix it with this green shade right here, because I feel like it's not green enough. I don't have a loose pigment for the red, so I'm just gonna take this red right here, and pretty much do the same thing on my other eye. Now that we have the big old wings, I'm gonna put on some glitter. Swear when I was cleaning my room I had my green glitter, but now I don't know where it is, so I'm just gonna use this one right here. It also reflects green. I'm just gonna use this instead of the other one that I cannot find. So I went ahead and finished both of my eyes, and now I'm gonna do this side red and this side green. My brows are really bothering me. So I decided to change my brows, the color and shape, because they're really bothering me. They still kind of are. I did them purple and then I put on a purple wig, but I don't know. I was really hating this look here, but I mean, I guess lashes can really save anything. Now I'm going to contour. I have in this lid here broken pieces of Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It's all broken, but like I want to use it still. My makeup game today is so off. Now I'm gonna take the Cookie Powder Contour Palette and take the darkest shade for the tip of my nose, or for the bottom of my nose. Then just kind of blend it all together. Then I'm gonna go back in with the big fluffy brush and the darkest shade and hit and really focus it just on the outside of my cheeks. My mirror is like, yes, you look good, like you're fine, and then my camera is like, girl, I don't know. And now I'm gonna blush using Tarte's Party Blush. It's broken too, but yeah. I'm gonna go over the nose, pretty much everywhere. Then to highlight, I'm gonna use the ColourPop Flexitarian. Now for the lips, I'm gonna use Viper by ColourPop. I feel like it's a little too pink, so I'm gonna mix it with Barracuda by ColourPop. That's better. And now I'm gonna put gloss on top by Wet n Wild. And I guess we're done. Okay, so this is a finished look. I guess it didn't turn out as bad as I thought it would at first. Oh my god, I was really struggling with this look today. But it doesn't look too bad. Well, thank you so much for watching if you made it this far. I really appreciate it. With the people that are telling me that they watch my videos, I really appreciate it. Yeah. I'll see you next time. Bye.